In this video, we are going to see how we can see the blocked users list on the Roblox mobile app. So if you have recently blocked some people or friends on Roblox and you want to see a complete list of it, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just click on the bottom right hand corner where you see this more icon. Click on that and just search for settings. Here are settings. Click on this. And from here, we will choose privacy and content restrictions on the third. From here, we click on the block users. That is the second last option. Yours might be different or a different position. We click on that. And here is all the users that we have blocked on Roblox. From here, we can either unblock them or you can also report them if you want to. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.